In just the past year alone, silver has nearly tripled in value and has continued its torrid pace into 2026 as it keeps notching new nominal all-time highs. I want to briefly touch on the why before talking about two important tangential concepts that you definitely want to be aware of when it comes to the markets. Okay, so why has silver been going crazy? There's a handful of reasons. It has been in short supply for a handful of years. We have geopolitical considerations with China restricting exports and the Greenland scenario. And of course, there's expectations of increased demand from things like solar panels and AI data centers. Okay. Now, will this continue indefinitely? I don't know. That's up to everybody's own interpretation of it. But I want to share two important concepts with y'all, right? And that is FOMO and profit taking. I've learned this the hard way, especially through 2020, right? FOMO is the idea, obviously, fear of missing out. And that means when something's trending, it's catching a lot of attention and investments going nuts, there are a lot of folks that want to jump in and try to ride the gravy train, okay? At some point in time with every investment, things will slow down, okay? So you want to make sure, if you want to get into the silver trade, be sure you know what you're investing in and have a game plan with it. Make sure it's backed by your own research and what you feel comfortable with. And two, profit taking, right? Let's say you've been riding this trade for a while and you're up a good amount. Keep in mind, the decision to buy and sell never has to be all or nothing. You have the ability to sell at different tranches. So if you want to take some risk off the table, you can sell part of your position over time. And same goes for buying. If you want to get into silver, you don't have to commit the whole portfolio at once. You can buy in tranches at different price points. You can limit your risk that way. So those things are really, really important. Like that is, I think, the surest way to blow up a portfolio, something that you've worked for years to build up and accumulate, is to see a lot of people making a lot of money, go, oh my gosh, like this is my home run. I'm going to swing for the fences. And you go too big, too fast, and it comes back to burn you, right? And again, same thing too. With profit taking, you don't have to sell everything at once. If you want to take some risk off, take some risk off. You can still stay in the game. So that is my recommendation. Just be careful how you approach it. And if this was helpful, give a like and follow for more.